Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your iPhone home screen. If your apps feel messy or unorganized, iOS gives you a few simple ways to clean things up, move apps around, and even hide entire pages. I'll walk you through everything step by step. To start, press and hold an empty area on the home screen until the apps start jiggling. This means you're in edit mode, where you can drag and drop apps to rearrange them or move them to different pages. If you want to keep things structured, consider grouping similar apps together. To do this, drag one app onto another and iOS will automatically create a folder. You can then rename the folder to keep everything easy to find. If you want to declutter your home screen but don't want to delete apps, swipe left to access the app library. From there, you can remove apps from the home screen while keeping them stored in the app library for quick access when needed. This helps reduce clutter without actually uninstalling anything. To take it a step further, you can manage entire home screen pages. While in edit mode, tap the dots at the bottom of the screen. This will show all your home screen pages, and from here, you can reorder them or hide pages you don't need. This is useful if you want a cleaner look, but don't want to delete everything permanently. Once you're happy with the changes, tap Done in the top right corner, and your new home screen layout will be saved. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.